In this video, we'll be talking about how to make $100 per day. The first way is by answering questions on a website called Just Answer. And you can make an average of $2,000 to $7,000 per month once you get approved. And the application process is easy and free. All you need is your social security number, a valid ID, and certifications that can make you an expert. They'll then look at your application and also do a background check to make sure that everything is valid. And once you get approved, you can start making money. What's nice about this is that you can make your own schedule and choose the questions you want to answer. Number 2, dog sitting or dog walking. If you love dogs, this is a perfect job for you. And you can market your services online through a website called Rover. It's easy to create a profile. You can also set the days and hours you're available and set your own prices for your services. And the third way is to become a shopper. And you can do this by signing up using the app Instacart to become a shopper for other people. And once you're approved, you can find orders, then shop and deliver them to your customers. And you can make an average of $10 to $20 an hour. And you can also make more money from tips. And you can also set your own schedule and choose what orders you want to take. Number 4 is becoming an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is when you're promoting other people's products and you get a commission for every sale that happens through your link. And it's free and easy to sign up for an affiliate program. First, you need to sign up for an affiliate program such as ClickBank. Then create accounts on all social media platforms including TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and YouTube. Then create video content around your affiliate product and post it on all of your social media platforms. And make sure you put your affiliate link in your bio of your TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest accounts, but comment your link under each video you post on Facebook and YouTube. Make sure you post your videos on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, on Instagram as Instagram Reels, on Facebook as Facebook Reels, on TikTok as TikToks, and on Pinterest as Idea Pins. And if you want to learn how to make money on Pinterest affiliate marketing step by step, watch the video in the description box below. Number 5 is to start an e-commerce store, and this will help you make more than $100 a day over time with patience and consistency. And you can sell handmade crafts or buy items in bulk and resell them at a higher price. And you can start with only $100. And if you want to learn how to start your e-commerce store today with only $100, watch the video in the description box below. Number 6, become a freelancer. You can start by selling your skills and services using websites such as Fiverr and Upwork. And you can work from anywhere around the world and become your own boss. Number 7, rent out an extra room or space. And you can do this by renting out a spare room, apartment, or house using Airbnb and charge $100 per night. And if you're booked for an entire month, that's $3,000 a month before any fees from Airbnb. And that's still a good amount of money without trading your time for money. Number 8, starting a YouTube channel. And you can make more than $100 a day on YouTube with patience and consistency. And you can create a personal brand or a faceless YouTube channel about any niche you're interested in. And you can also combine this with affiliate marketing and make even more money. And starting a YouTube channel is probably the hardest way to make money, but it's one of the most profitable ways to make passive income.